Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your TradingView application on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. Let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open App Store and now go into your search bar and search for TradingView just like that. Once you've done that, all you need to do is tap on this application, go ahead and download and install it on your device, and simply go ahead and tap on open. Once you've done that, you're going to be into this page right over here. From here, you want to simply tap on the bottom right hand corner, which is going to be the menu, and simply go ahead and tap on sign in. Once you've done that, there are three ways that you can go ahead and sign in. Sign in with Google, Apple, or your email or username. Simply go ahead and tap on anything that you prefer. Go ahead and enter your username or your email. Go ahead and enter your password and tap on sign in. That is it, and you'll be logged in into your account before you know it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next.